For joining us on this Saturday, January 22nd. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. Springfield Center is giving us a negative 20 degrees. Tom Pantalona. And then Dan down in Roseboom has you beat, Tom. He says it's a negative 25. What are you seeing from our sky watchers?
Yes, we are seeing all of our temperatures below zero. We are ranging in the teens to 20s below zero. So it is very cold this morning, but good news is that it is going to warm up today pretty quickly.
That is good news.
Yes, so let's take a look at our temperatures. Right now, we are looking at 20 below in Lowville, 16 below in Inlet, and 13 below in Hamilton. We are going to warm up to the low 20s today for the high. And we are looking to remain dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but we will see an increase in clouds today and a few lake effect snow showers tomorrow. So it is very, very frigid this morning, but it is going to warm up pretty quickly. It is a perfect weekend to get outside and enjoy the winter weather, maybe do some activities, and we are going to be seeing quiet weather ahead for this coming week. Now for today, we will be warming up to the low 20s for the high. We will also see an increase in clouds throughout the day, and I will have more of your weekend forecasts coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Well, an NYPD...
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up mostly sunny this morning, but it is very cold outside. All of our temperatures are below zero. Let's take a look at that CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We see not a cloud in the sky right now, but it is very, very cold outside. On our radar and satellite, seeing no clouds in the area and no wind, which is a good thing because it is pretty cold outside. If we did have that wind, we would be looking at some very, very low wind chill values. So no wind here this morning. We are going to be seeing a slight breeze later on today. Now let's take a look at those temperatures. We are in the 20s below up in the North Country, 15 below in Inlet. Right now we are at 11 below in Dowdesville, 5 below in Rome. So we are still warming up pretty quickly today. Still kind of in the teens below zero down south. We have 8 below in Skanevis and 11 below in Hamilton. But good news is that we are going to warm up to the upper teens and lower 20s today. So it is going to feel a lot warmer than yesterday. So right now we are not really seeing a wind, but later on we are going to be seeing a slight breeze outside. Our temperatures are going to be in the low 20s, so it is going to feel a lot warmer and a lot better than yesterday. We are probably going to feel about 8 degrees below the actual temperature due to the slight breeze that is going to be occurring outside for today. But we are remaining dry today. No snow is on our radar for today. As we get into tomorrow, we will see some lake effect snow showers, especially up north. It is going to drop south throughout the day, probably a brush. Little accumulation is expected from this. We'll see just a few snow flurries kind of lingering Monday morning, but looking mostly dry on Monday, and we will see some more light snow showers on Tuesday. So this weekend is actually a good weekend to kind of spend outside on any winter activities like sledding, going skiing, or snowboarding. Today, we are not really experiencing any precipitation. It is going to be icy because it is quite cold today. As we get into tomorrow, we will be seeing some light lake effect snow showers, so that is that fluffy snow, and some flurries on Monday, but otherwise looking mostly dry on Monday. Now let's look at everything on our Skycast. We are mostly sunny this morning. Once again, all of our temperatures are below zero. We will warm up pretty quickly today with the highs in the low 20s, but we will also see an increase in cloud cover. It will be mostly cloudy overnight tonight into tomorrow as we see some lake effect snow showers form up north. These will drop down during the day, so we are going to be seeing just a few light snow showers in the area. We are looking to dry out tomorrow night. Now moving into Monday, it is going to be mostly cloudy and it is going to get pretty cold again, waking up below zero, and our highs only being in the upper teens to low 20s. Now for today, our high is in the upper teens to low 20s. We will see an increase in clouds throughout the day. Overnight tonight, we will remain mostly cloudy, so our temperatures are kind of going to stay in the teens for the overnight low. Now, as for tomorrow, we have a high in the mid-20s, and we will see some light lake effect snow showers forming up north. We're getting mostly cloudy on Monday, and we'll see some light snow showers return on Tuesday. Now back to that trivia question. What is the lowest temperature ever recorded in the United States? Katrina, do you have a guess?
Let's go with a safe negative 70.
You were close. It was negative 80.
Had to be like in the Dakotas or somewhere.
It was, okay, so it was in Alaska.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, so the second coldest was negative 70, and that was in Montana.
Okay.
So
wrong, wrong, and wrong.
I hope it never gets that cold here, which it won't.
I think it will. Hopefully not. Ice ages. Okay, thank you so much, Hannah. And
good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up to mostly sunny skies this morning, but all of our temperatures are below zero still. Good news is that we will warm up pretty quickly today. Let's take a look at that CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Not a cloud in the sky this morning, but we will also see an increase in clouds throughout the day. But on our radar and satellite, there isn't really to look at here. There are no clouds in our area, as well as no wind, which is a good thing because it is pretty cold outside this morning. We are looking at temperatures all below zero. We have 12 below in Inlet, 4 below in Rome, 3 below in White Sparrow. If we do go further down south, we have 6 below in Skenevis, 8 below in Hamilton, and 11 below in Sherburne. So it is a very chilly start to the morning, but we will see temperatures rise to the upper teens to low 20s for the high today. So it is going to be a lot warmer than yesterday. So here's a look at those rise in temperatures. We will reach a high in the low 20s, probably feeling about 8 degrees cooler because we are going to be seeing a slight breeze outside, but still feeling a lot better than yesterday, and it is going to remain kind of in the 20s for tomorrow. We are not going to be seeing any snow today. We will remain dry, but we will see an increase in clouds in preparation for some lake effect snow showers to form up north of tomorrow. So we are going to be seeing a few light scattered lake effect snow showers tomorrow, but we will dry out again on Monday. Our next chance for some snow does come in on Tuesday as light snow showers move into the area due to a low pressure system moving through. But all in all, it is just going to be a good weekend to kind of get outside, do any activities like sledding, skiing, or snowboarding. Today, it is pretty cold this morning. We are not going to be seeing any snow, so all the trails and stuff are going to be icy. But for tomorrow, we will be seeing some light lake effect snow showers. That is that fluffy powder snow, and a little bit of flurries linger into Monday morning, but we are drying out for Monday. So it is a good weekend to kind of get outside. It is going to be warming up a little bit today. So for today, we will see an increase in clouds, high temperatures in the upper teens to low 20s. Overnight tonight, it will remain cloudy, allowing for our low temperatures to not drop below zero. We will have lows in the teens. So tomorrow, we will see some lake effect snow showers form up north, and they will shift south throughout the day tomorrow. So all of us just seeing a little bit of some light snow showers with little accumulation. Now, moving into Monday, we are still going to be mostly cloudy, and it is going to get a little bit colder again. We will see highs on Monday in the upper teens to lower 20s, and then we will see some snow showers on Tuesday. Now, for today, we have a high in the low 20s. We will see an increase in clouds throughout the day and a slight breeze outside. Overnight tonight, our lows stay in the teens because it is going to be mostly cloudy. So for tomorrow, we are going to be seeing some lake effect snow showers up north. They are going to shift south throughout the day, so all of us seeing a few light snow showers. We will remain mostly cloudy on Monday before some light snow returns to the region on Tuesday. Now back to the trivia question. What is the average speed at which snowflakes fall from the sky? Katrina, do you have a guess?
I don't know because sometimes they just kind of dance around slowly and sometimes they come down fast. I'm going to go C5.
So it was 3. I picked 3, but it said 3 to 4 miles per hour. So you were close, yeah.
I was close.
It just depends on the system. I feel like lake effect snow, they fall slower than like last week when we got that kind of winter storm thing. They were falling a little faster.
And they were falling faster.
Yes.
That's what I figured. I was like, they kind of, it depends.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Well, one local restaurant has...
Tonight at 6, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are looking at temperatures right now in the upper teens, and it's not looking to get that cold overnight just like it did last night. We were only looking at lows in the teens. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are still dry right now, but we are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers kind of moving into the early morning hours of tomorrow. We'll see some lake effect light snow showers tomorrow, causing little accumulation. Our temperature right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is 16 degrees. It is feeling a little bit cooler because we are seeing a slight breeze outside. But it is not going to get as cold tonight like last night. We are going to look at temperatures in the teens overnight. Scattered snow showers are expected tomorrow with little accumulation. And we are going to be seeing quiet weather ahead this week. Now for this evening, temperatures are in the lower to mid-teens, and we will start to see increasing clouds in preparation for some light lake effect snow showers coming into the area, and I will be tracking that more coming up. Back to you, Sierra.
Thank you, Hannah. Cold and snow means snowmobilers can get out and ride, but in Deerfield, a stretch of trail is closed, and it's not for a lack of snow. News Channel 2, Katrina Smith has that story.
Deerfield Snow Trails had to close a section of trail until further notice after landowners submitted complaints about riders going off trail.
We had 3 sleds go through, and instead of staying on the trail where they belong, they decided to jump out into the driveway, and they blew some snow on their driveway. And they've dealt with it for years, and this was the final straw, so they closed the trail down.
A 7-mile trail that runs to the 12 North Sports Bar, a drop spot for thousands who use the trails, is closed.
Our landowners they're gracious enough to give us the property. They get nothing in return, and it seems like they get nothing in return but headaches. They don't ask a whole lot, but we are looking for people to respect this property because we're going to lose the system if we don't.
The club posted signs and taped off Trail S75B, which is now closed from Covered Bridge to Junction 43. But while they were here posting those signs, they noticed another issue.
At the same time, while we were closing off the trail, we had some pipe sleds or modified exhaust sleds come through, which also shuts down some trails.
For the sake of all snowmobilers, the trail team is asking sled riders with modifications or broken tailpipes to fix them before hitting the trails again.
The pipes have just become such a problem, and we've been working, the clubs work with the county sheriff's department and the DEC and everybody else, and these guys are going to get tickets for them, and the fines are pretty good. So.
Since we did the interview earlier today, someone already ripped the ribbon down and went on the closed trail. This says if you're caught on the closed portion of the trail, you will be charged with trespassing. Coming up on News Channel 2 Weekend Today.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We are looking at temperatures right now in the teens, and we are also seeing increasing clouds, but we won't get as cold tonight as we did last night. Let's take a look at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Right now, mostly clear skies, but we will start to see an increase in clouds, and our temperatures are kind of going to stay in the teens overnight. Now, here is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing mostly dry conditions right now, but there are a few lake effect snow showers forming over Lake Ontario that we are going to be seeing later on. So once again, an increase in clouds is expected. We are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers forming due to a low pressure system that is moving through our area tonight. And we are expecting to see lake effect snow showers for tomorrow, but these are going to be very light and little accumulation is expected. We did get some Skywatcher reports this evening. We are in the teens right now. We have 13 degrees in West Layton, 18 degrees in Westdale, and 13 degrees in Gray. If we do go down to the south, we have or I think this was supposed to say 10, sorry, 10 degrees in Cooperstown, 16 in Evanston, 14 in Cassville. So once again, we are ranging in the teens here this evening and not looking to get below 0 at all for tonight, so that is a good thing. So here is what happened today. We reached a high at 21 degrees and a low at 11 below 0. Our average high is 28 degrees and our average low is 13 degrees. So we are kind of still below average in temperatures right now. We have been that way for the past week. We are also below average in snowfall. Record snow for this day was 9 inches, and we are kind of 2 feet below average for this season thus far. We are looking to get just a little bit of snow tomorrow. We will dry out once again on Monday. Some more snow is expected on Tuesday, little accumulation once again, and we will dry out on Wednesday. So let's look at everything on our Skycast. We will see an increase in clouds here this evening. Temperatures only dropping into the teens overnight. A few lake effect snow showers are expected up north overnight that will shift south throughout the day tomorrow, but little accumulation is expected. Tomorrow overnight, we are looking to get cold again. Our lows are going to be all below zero. Now on Monday, we are going to be pretty warm, looking at highs in the upper teens to low 20s, but it is going to be mostly cloudy in preparation for some snow coming in Monday night and on Tuesday. Now for this evening, we are looking at temperatures in the lower to mid-teens. We will see an increase in clouds. Tomorrow, scattered light snow showers are expected with a high in the mid-20s, so it is going to feel a lot better tomorrow than today. So scattered snow showers expected for tomorrow. We will be mostly cloudy on Monday. Light snow showers do return to the area on Tuesday with a high of 30, so it is going to be a lot warmer on Tuesday. We are cooling down and drying out for Wednesday and Thursday. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. Coming up next, Tahoe.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing temperatures right now still kind of ranging in the teens. We are not going to get that cold overnight again like we were last night. So let's take a look at the almanac from today. So our average high for today is 28 degrees, and we only reached a high today of 21 degrees. The average low was 13 degrees, and we reached a low at 11 below zero. That happened here this morning. We had no snowfall and no rainfall. The record snowfall for this day is 9 inches of snow. That happened in 2005. But I just wanted to point out we are still behind average in snowfall for the season, and we are below average in temperatures right now, and it has been that way for the past week. Tonight's low temperatures are not going to get as cold as we saw last night. Last night we had temperatures all below zero in the teens and 20s below. But here's a look at tonight's lows. We have 10 degrees in Old Forge, 9 degrees in Remsen, 13 in Rome and in Utica. And if we do go down south, we're looking at 13 in Cooperstown and Richfield Springs, 14 in Oneonta and in Morris. So once again, it is not going to get that cold tonight, waking up tomorrow with all of our temperatures above zero. Maybe a little bit icy outside. We saw some ice today. Temperatures are still not going to be above freezing. We are going to be above zero, but not above freezing. So maybe some ice outside once again for the day tomorrow if you are heading out. We are going to be seeing overcast skies tomorrow as a few lake effect snow showers do come into the area. It is going to be mostly cloudy on Monday, but it is looking dry with a few breaks in those clouds. We are once again going to be seeing some light snow showers on Tuesday. Little accumulation is expected, but it is mostly going to be overcast. The sunshine does look to return on Wednesday for a partly cloudy day. So for tonight, we are only dropping into the teens for our low temperatures. It is going to be mostly cloudy. Waking up tomorrow with a few scattered snow showers in the area, but this doesn't look to last long. It looks to shift south, and it looks to cause a little accumulation for tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night into Monday, it is once again going to get pretty cold. All of our low temperatures are going to be below zero. On Monday, we do start out with some sunshine, but clouds quickly come into the area, and we will reach a high into the upper teens to lower 20s on Monday. But for tonight, we have a low just in the lower teens. It is mostly cloudy outside tonight. Now tomorrow, we will see a high in the mid-20s with a few scattered snow showers, especially in the morning and early afternoon hours, and it is going to be mostly cloudy outside. So for tomorrow, expect those light scattered snow showers. Little accumulation is expected from this. We are mostly cloudy but dry on Monday. A few light snow showers return to the area on Tuesday. We are drying out but cooling down for Wednesday and Thursday before some more snow showers return on Friday. Back to you, Sayara.
Thank you, Hannah. Coming up next.